How to change a region in Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Talks. Today I'm going to show you how we can change our country in Instagram. First, open the Instagram app and make sure to log into your account. Now, in order to change our location in Instagram, we should have a business account. So let's change our creator or personal account to business account. First, tap on the bottom right corner in order to go to your profile. There you can see an option to edit profile. Tap on it. Now scroll below in order to find switch to professional account option. Tap on it. Now hit next and then choose a category that best describes your channel. Then tap on switch to professional account. There you'll see two options in order to create a creator account or business account. We are going to tap on business account and then hit next. Now you can choose whether to get or not get professional emails, then hit next. Here you can add contact info, then tap next. Now you can add these details or skip in order to fill later. Tap on the top right cross button in order to skip the process. Now comes the point where we change our location. Go to your profile and tap on edit profile option. Now scroll to find contact options. Tap on it. There you'll see an option to add address. Tap on it and write your address or any address that you want to add in here. Hit the right button at the top right and that's it. You've added the location. There you can see an option to display contact info. If you toggle that option, the contact info will be shown in your profile. However, if you do not toggle the option, it will not be shown in your profile. And that's it. That is how you